What matters in business isn't just what you do, but how you do it. At Kamin and Kadam, we fulfill every commitment with unparalleled attention to detail. Partnering with industries across the globe and building upon our record of excellence. Our vision is to be the most admired kaolin company in the world. Every day, we operate at the intersection of nature and technology, transforming natural kaolin clay into an essential ingredient in our customers' complex formulations.
For over 80 years, Kamin's vision and pioneering spirit has created new, innovative products for ink, rubber, paint, and paper industries. This focus on innovation also created a unique process that helped launch a brand new business around ultrafine, high-brightness kaolin products. The steady growth of this business and the acquisition of Kadam in Brazil has made Kamin the world leader in ultrafine particle kaolin. Today, our research efforts continue to uncover new insights into how fine kaolin can be used to create new solutions for our customers. With our rich history of innovation, we continue to deliver on our vision to create value for our customers both today and tomorrow, not just as a supplier, but as a partner committed to their success.